Hi, today we're going to take a look at how to make links in Angel. So here I'm at the home page. I'm going to jump into a practice course of mine. You'd of course go into the course that you wanted to add the links to. Going to go to Learning Modules, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that content right out here in the root. Now if you needed it in a folder, you could put it in a folder. Of course you could move it there. So I'm going to click Add Content. I'm going to create a page, and I'm going to put in title here. And of course I'm going to spell that right. That would help. And now I'm going to type in some names. Of some photographers that I would show maybe to students in this portrait assignment. Now I'm going to put in Cindy Sherman, another name. And of course, last but not least, Annie Lee Bovitz. So we put our three names in. Of course, they could be links to anything, but these are the ones I'm using. So next thing you want to do is select the person's name, and then click on this little link up here. And if you mouse over it for a second, it will say Insert Web Link or Edit Web Link. So we click on that, and now it wants the URL. So I'm going to go to Diane Evers's homepage, or whatever page where you wanted to take them to. I copied that. I'm going to paste it in. Now if you knew it, you could just write it in. And now I'm going to go to Target. Now Target means when you click on that link, what happens? If you do it as a pop-up window, it opens up as a pop-up window. The same window leaves it in the same window. Parent, I think it's again a type of the same type of window. These all have different little meanings. I like to use new window. It sets it out of Angel, so then what will happen is when they click on it, it makes a new window. And then if they close, your students close that window, that link that they just clicked, they haven't closed Angel. Angel's still there. If you go to the same window, it sort of opens up inside of Angel, and then once they close that to get out of it, instead of maybe going back, they close Angel, then they got to go back in. So I like to use new window. Advanced, I don't usually fool around with this. I don't think it's really necessary. We'll just go ahead and leave that. And all this is the way it should be. So we click OK. And now if you look, this has got, it's a link. And then you would just go through and do the same thing. Find the link of the person's site, copy it, go back, highlight it, click on the link, the little globe there, paste it in, go to the target, new window, and OK. And you would just go through and do all of those like that. Finish it off. Once you're done, you can hit save. And now you can see you've got a page here. And if we click on it, we've got great portrait photographers. I didn't finish this one, so it's not done. But these two you can see now are links. And if I were to click on that, it puts it in a new window. The old course is still open right here, but this jumped up as a new tab. So now let's see what happens if I close this. We're still in Angel. Whereas if you were to click this and it opened up in this same window here, it would open up right here where my mouse is. It would open up over here, and then if the student closed it, they end up closing Angel, then they've got to log back in. That's why I would use new window. So it's a fairly simple process. You can make this list as long as you want. And what I like about it is you can group links in pages like this, and you can have great portrait photographers, great landscape photographers, or whatever you wanted as separate sheets. And then you can always just move these from course to course or from year to year if you're going to use the same thing, and then just add new links to it. So that's how you create links inside your Angel course.